Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to connect to a Zoom meeting on laptop, and I'll guide you through every step to make it quick and easy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Zoom application on your desktop by double-clicking the icon. This lets you access all Zoom features directly from your laptop. Step 2. Click the Join button to enter a meeting hosted by someone else. This is where you can connect instantly without hosting. Step 3. Enter the meeting ID or personal link name provided by the host. This ensures you join the correct meeting safely. Step 4. Choose whether to connect your audio and turn off your video based on your preference. This helps you control how you appear and sound in the meeting. Step 5. Click Join once the button is active and enter the meeting password if prompted. This completes your connection and gets you into the session. Step 6. From the Zoom homepage, click New Meeting to start your own meeting. This option lets you host and manage your own sessions easily. Step 7. Select audio and video options as needed, then click Start to begin your meeting and invite participants. This ensures everyone can join and interact smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.